أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Surah Yusuf, Joseph. Verses 22 to 29 discuss the events when the wife of the Aziz, the nobleman of Egypt, attempted to seduce Joseph, but Allah protected him from sin. At the crucial moment, her husband arrived on the scene, and she accused Joseph of wrongdoing. However, based on the suggestion of a member of her family, Joseph was proven innocent.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم ولما بلغ أشده آتيناه حكما وعلما
And when Joseph reached full maturity, we gave him prophetic wisdom and knowledge.
وكذلك نجزي المحسنين
And thus do we reward those who excel in doing good.
وراودته التي هو في بيتها عن نفسه وغلقت الأبواب وقالت هيت لك
And the lady in whose house he lived sought to seduce him. She closed the doors and said, "Come to me."
قال معاذ الله إنه ربي أحسن مثواي
Joseph said, "I seek refuge in Allah. Your husband, who is my master, has treated me well. I cannot do this."
إنه لا يفلح الظالمون
Indeed, wrongdoers shall never succeed.
ولقد همت به وهم بها لولا أن رأى برهان ربه
Indeed, she had desired him, and he would have inclined to her, had he not seen a guiding proof from his Lord.
كذلك لنصرف عنه السوء والفحشاء
In this way, we turned evil and lewdness away from him.
إنه من عبادنا المخلصين
Indeed, he was one of our chosen servants.
واستبق الباب وقدت قميصه من دبر وألف يا سيدها لدى الباب
And they both raced for the door, and she tore his shirt from the back. But they found her husband at the door.
قالت ما جزاء من أراد بأهلك سوءا إلا أن يسجن أو عذاب أليم
Upon seeing her husband, the woman at once said, "What should be the punishment for someone who intended evil with your wife, except that he be imprisoned or subjected to a painful punishment?"
قال هي راودتني عن نفسي وشهد شاهد من أهلها إن كان قميصه قد من قبل فصدقت وهو من الكاذبين
Joseph said, "It was she who sought to seduce me." And a witness from her own family came forth and testified, "If his shirt is torn from the front, then she has spoken the truth and he is of the liars."
وإن كان قميصه قد من دبر فكذبت وهو من الصادقين
And if his shirt is torn from the back, then she has lied, and he is of the truthful.
فلما رأى قميصه قد من دبر قال إنه من كيدكن
Then, when her husband saw that Joseph's shirt was torn from the back, he said to his wife, "This is indeed of your womanly cunning.
إن كيدكن عظيم
Indeed, your cunning is great."
يوسف أعرض عن هذا واستغفري لذنبك إنك كنت من الخاطئين.
He said to Joseph, "Ignore this incident," and to his wife, he said, "Seek forgiveness for your sin. Indeed, you are among the wrongdoers."